myclass.com.
Let's discuss about parameter in applet. We can pass parameters to an applet just like we are passing parameter to a function. In this program, we are import java.applet.applet, import java.awt.graphics, that is for graphics, draw anything to that applet. In the applet code tag, here this is the name of our class, useParam.class, width is 300 and height is 300. This is the important tag here, param name. Through this tag, we are passing the name of that parameter and also the value of the parameter. Here, now we are going to the program. In this program, the class name is useParam, that is extend applet. In the paint method, we are declaring a string str equal to the method. The important method is getParameter. GetParameter. Here we are passing a name of a parameter. So the name of the parameter is message. Let's assume it is message. Now we can draw like a g.drawString. We can pass this str, that is a parameter. The value of the parameter is we are passing to the string str 50, the height and width of that string. Okay. Now in the param tag, we are passing this parameter name message msg and the value welcome or any value welcome with parameter or applet with parameter, any value we can pass. We can pass the value dynamically by using the text box value in the form like text box one dot value or button dot value like that. That is we can discuss later. This is a simple parameter passing in an applet. So this messages we are passing through. We are getting this parameter by using getParameter method and we are passing with the string value. Compile this program now. Use param.java. See our applet viewer, welcome with parameter. Here this string we are passing through a parameter, not with direct method. And there are other lots of methods to pass the parameter with the text box value, button value, with even lots of event handling methods are there. With that methods, event handling, we can pass different values dynamically. Clear? Thank you.